after a rough day, don't inconveniences like this just make them so much worse?
Who are you? How did you get in here?
Don't ask me how I got this video, but what makes things worse is sometimes people lack the physical requirements to fix these problems on their own.
Today, I'll be showing you how to cope with these problems as a short person. To begin, you need a way to reach your smoke detector. It's so far away. You can use a chair, a bucket, or any other means, but today I will be using a ladder, so conveniently left for me. You will want to step up onto your ladder, but because of your height, you'll probably want to get up onto the second or first step to reach your smoke detector. You will want to unscrew and unplug your smoke detector. Then, you want to safely make your way back down the ladder, because a fall from this height could be lethal to someone who's vertically challenged. Then, locate the battery compartment on your smoke detector. Remove the dead battery. Old batteries can't just be disposed in any old trash can. I like to throw mine in the local river. Now, replace the battery with a new one. Take note of the respective positive and negative sides.
You will want to make your way back up the ladder.
And then, replace the smoke detector where it once was before. And with the smoke detector back in your ceiling, you have successfully replaced your...
I'm calling the cops.
It seems I've overstayed my welcome. Join us next week when I show you how to avoid a trespassing charge. Go, 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 go.
Yeah, he just took off. He's wearing silver suspenders with, I think, glitter. He has a matching bow tie, too. It should be hard to spot him. He's like 7 feet tall. And it was weird because he was using a ladder, and he didn't need the ladder, but I don't own it. I don't know where it came from.